Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Addiction. So today I'm going to share with you the recipe of anarse, which needs lots and lots of patience, and this recipe today my mama is going to share with you. So let's start with the recipe. So for that we need 1 kg rice. Wash the rice properly. After washing, add 2 cups of water in the rice and pour the rice and water together in an airtight container. And leave it for 3 days. After 3 days, take out the rice and water from an airtight container and leave it for 10 minutes like this. After that, take a cotton cloth, evenly spread the rice properly everywhere. After spreading the rice, leave the rice like this on a cotton cloth for at least 1 to 2 hours. And here you can see our rice has totally dried up. Once the rice has dried up, collect the rice So here in a mixer grinder, add the rice and make a fine powder out of it. And here you can see our fine powder is ready. Just look at the consistency. This should be the consistency of your powder. After that, sieve the powder. After sieving the powder, add half a cup of ghee in the powder and give a good mix. After mixing, add 750 gram jaggery in it. The jaggery should be finely chopped. And give a good mix. So this process is very important because this jaggery will totally dissolve in the flour and it will create a dough out of it, and you have to keep mixing this flour. If you don't mix this flour or the jaggery is not totally dissolved in it, the anarse will not turn properly. So remember, there should be no lumps and all in it. And here you can see our jaggery has totally dissolved and there is no lumps or anything formed in the flour. So this kind of color should be of the dough, and here our anarse dough is ready. So as I told you, you need lots and lots of patience for it. So you can't make this now itself. You have to rest this flour for at least 3 to 4 days in an airtight container again, and leave it for 3 to 4 days as I told you. And here after 3 to 4 days our dough is ready. So here you can see how soft it has turned out. So after that, take a small portion out of the dough and follow the process which my mama is doing. So after making a good circle, we are going to coat our anarse with two types of seeds that I will show you. So first we will be coating with poppy seeds, that is called khaskhas. And the next we will be coating with sesame seeds, that is til. Similarly, coat all the anarse like this. After coating, the sides which I have coated, that should be down and the other side should be up. We have to keep the anarse like this. And now we will fry our anarse. While frying, the flame should be low. Do not keep the flame high. So how we have to fry our anarse is, you have to keep adding oil on the top of the anarses. Keep adding the oil on the top till it becomes brown in color. And here you can see our anarse has turned brown in color. Once the anarse has turned brown in color, take it out from the oil. Similarly, fry all the anarse. And here you can see our crispy and crunchy anarse are ready. This recipe is very easy. As I told you, need lots and lots of patience. Do give this recipe a try and tell me in comment section below how your anarse turned out. Thank you for watching my channel. Do like and subscribe for more such wonderful recipes. Thank you.